Hello my dear students, good afternoon all of you. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. This is your Taisib sir, and today what we are going to learn my dear students, but today we are going to learn a new chapter number 9. So before starting our chapter, let's discuss what we have done in our previous session. So in previous session my dear students, we have done chapter number 7 fraction and chapter number 8 shape, space and patterns we have done. Got my points my dear students? This all chapter we have done in the last session. Got my points my dear students? So today now in the maths class we will move on our new chapter. Okay, before starting our new chapter, I am telling you some interesting things. Okay, so now here my dear students, can you tell me what is this in my hand? Think what is this? Okay, now you get it idea. It's a scale. Okay, what is the use of scale? What is the use of scale? So we are measuring, we are doing a proper straight line. Okay, so that's type of use of this scale. Okay, and whenever you my dear students, you are taking a scale, so you observe this all digit, you observing all digits. See, this is you observing this all digit. Okay, here is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 or 12. Okay, but it's a large digit and upside is the small digit. See, 1 2 3 4 5 till to 30. But we have a small scale. What my dear students, we have a small scale. Just a minute, I'll show you here. See, this is here, this is a small scale and these both scale are using. Okay, so it's the large, it's the small scale and it's a large scale. Okay, only here we are drawing only this distance. Started to 1 to 12 and here to 30. Okay, my dear students, see is the half of big scale. Okay, then here is the what my dear students say, see. Okay, so two scale is metal, large scale is a plastic and is a steel scale. So my dear students, don't here we compare a material, here we only observe digit and uses. Okay, and what is a use of? We have to draw a line, we have to draw a square. Okay, but all sides having a 10 centimeter. So how we know? So first of all here we will find the 10 centimeter. See, this is a 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. Got my points my dear students? This is the 10 centimeter. Understood all? It's a 10 centimeter and we have to write here the 10 centimeter. And then here we will draw here we put the scale and using of the scale and then we draw to 10 centimeter. But my points, as like that we are use the scale and so many other uses we have, but only we are discussing here one use. Okay, not only these are measurement source. Okay, so many sources are what available. Okay, so many sources are available. Just a minute all. What is this my dear students in my hand? It's bottle. But we don't know how much water in my bottle. See, here is no detail is filled. Otherwise you are going to buy a new bottle of water bottle. So is mentioned there. For example, they all are mentioned there. 1 liter, 500 ml water. Then after they all are mentioned in the box 500 ml. But in these bottles, nothing information you see here. Surface, downside, this side. No any information in this bottle. So how we know how much water filled in this bottle? Okay, so these all things today we are going to learn. But my points, my dear students. Okay, for example, I have to measure the size of the bottle. So what to do? So we are taking the scale here, put the scale here and count and measure it properly. Put my points, my dear students. So now today I am going to teach you what, my dear students. Now you can get an idea what I am going to teach you here. What I am going to teach you. You have any idea, my dear students? Today I am going to teach you new chapter, measurement. Okay, my dear students. Chapter number 9, measure. Measurement. Okay, this chapter we are going to learn today. Put my points, my dear students. So now put a date and write the heading. Then we will move on, my dear students. Okay. So first of all, you note down these all things. Note down these all things, my dear students. Okay, so today, my dear students, we are going to learn new chapter, measurement. What we are going to learn today? Today we are going to learn measurement. So now, first of all, we check here measurement of length. What is our first topic, my dear students? So our first topic is length of, means measurement of length. Measurement of length. Measurement of length, my dear students. Today we are going to learn. What my points, my dear students? I hope you all are understood. So our first topic is measurement of the length. So now let's check what is the measurement of the length. First of all, I am writing here and then it should be, my dear students. We have to check what is, and then I explain to you. Centimeters are used to centimeters are used to measure shorter length. What? Shorter length. Shorter lengths. Okay. Now here I am writing the one example. Your finger width is about 1 centimeter. What, my dear students, is the 1 centimeter? Then after, this ruler gives exact centimeter measurement. The line from 0 So now we have the example of centimeter, my dear students. So I'll give you here the example of centimeter. Okay. So my dear students, we have to draw as like that. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is a scale or ruler. Okay. See, this is here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what is actually centimeter? Is a 0 to 1. It's the 1 centimeter. So now I'll explain you all things. But before explaining, you have to write in your fair book. Otherwise, you have not down this all topic, my dear students. Then we will move on further here. I hope you all are understood, my dear, what I am telling you. So first of all, you put the date. Then after write the measurement of the length. Centimeter are used to measure shorter than length, and your finger width is about the 1 centimeter. This ruler gives the exact centimeter measurement. The line from 0 to 1 is 1 centimeter. Understood, my dear students, what I am telling you? I hope you all are understood. Okay. So first is what, my dear students? Measurement of length. Okay, now I am going to explain this topic, measurement. What is the measurement, my dear students? Measurement of the length. Okay, so what is the measurement? So first is centimeter. New words is coming to centimeter. Okay, we cannot conclude a whole name centimeter. See the spelling of centimeter. SENTIMETER, centimeter. So we are writing the short form semi. But why we are writing the short form of this reason? Because of its long spelling. See this CM. That's why we are mentioning the centimeter. Understood? As like we are mentioning the shorter form centimeter. Understood? Centimeters are used to measure a shorter length. So centimeter we are applying the centimeter. CM means what, my dear students? Whenever word is coming capital C or small m, so it's called a CM, centimeter. See our spelling, capital C and small m. It's called a semi. Semi means centimeter. Good my points, my dear students. I hope you all are understood. Okay, now here let's say what is the use of the centimeter. So centimeter are used to measure. We used to measure to shorter length. Means we have to check a short length. Big length we are not able to check by the centimeter. If we have any short things, short objects, so we are checking by the centimeter. Okay. Now your finger width is about 1 centimeter. See, this is your finger width. How many lines in our finger? 1, 2 and 3. 3 lines in our fingers. So that's why its first width is what? 1 centimeter. See, I draw here. This is our finger and its width means 1 centimeter. ये क्या है पूरा? See this my dear students, ये पूरा 1 centimeter. But my dear students, this is a 1 centimeter. It's called a 1 centimeter. It is the width of finger. Okay, width of the finger. But my dear students, it's about a 1 centimeter. The ruler gives the exact centimeter. What ruler gives means why a ruler gives? Because of on a ruler have a specific number, and by number we are proper measuring any things, any objects. See, I will give you demo here, my dear students. The ruler gives the exact centimeter measure. Means in ruler you have this ruler scale, and ruler scale is a what centimeter measurement. See, this is 1 to 2, what 0 to 1 or 1 to 2. It's proper a 1 centimeter. Understood what I am telling you, my dear students? The line from 0 to 1 is 1 centimeter. See, this is 0 to 1 is how many centimeter? Okay, now I hope you have a scale now. So you check this is 0 to 1. Okay, my dear students, 0 to 1, check exact that, and this is a scale, and this is a 0 and 1. Okay, 0 to 1. So 0 to 1 is total, is length, means is the measurement is what? How many centimeter? It is 1 centimeter. Okay, and a centimeter, when we use the centimeter? Only for shorter length. Only for shorter length. Okay, I have to check here the length of marker. See, this is marker and this is scale. So by the scale I am using here the scale and check the how many centimeter of this marker. So now see, this is a started from 0 to, okay, so see exactly it's reached on a 5 centimeter. Okay, see, this is scale 1 to 12 centimeter is here, 1 to 12 centimeter. See, my dear students, this is a scale and it's the 1 to 12 centimeter, and I am checking the marker, and I don't know how many length of this marker. So I am going to check in here the length of marker. See, okay, this is a 0 to check how many 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 means it's reached to and the 6. Okay, my dear students, it's reached to 6. So 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Okay, the length of a marker is 6 centimeter. What my points, my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood. Now, my dear students, here we will check, and here see, this is your maths textbook. What, my dear students, this is your maths textbook, and we don't know the length of this side of textbook. So by the scale I am checking here what is the length of this textbook. So see, my dear students, here 1 to 11 exactly. See, 1 to 11 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 or 11. So see, my dear students, here 11 till to 11. So we are mentioning here what? Our textbook size is 11 centimeter. See, this is, my dear students, it's the 11 centimeter. Understood? I hope you all are understood. As like that we are going to check, my dear students, so many things. Okay, so now I hope you all are understood the measurement of length, and first topic is a centimeter. What? Centimeter. What is a centimeter? Again I am going to repeat. Centimeter are used to measure the shorter length. Your finger width is about 1 centimeter. The ruler gives the exact centimeter measurement. The line from 0 to 1 is 1 centimeter. See, 0 to 1, 0 to 1. And here is also, see, this is my width. This is my finger with, and I am checking here it's the correct answer or not. See, 0 to 1 is width is what? Yes, it's the 1 centimeter. Got my points, my dear students? I hope you all have understood what I am telling you here. This example, the ruler gives the exact 1 centimeter, but further your finger means us finger is width is about 1 centimeter. So my finger, see 1, 2 and 3 parts, and here lining, before lining, here its width is what? Exactly 1 centimeter. Got my points, my dear students? See, this is a proper distance. As like that, we are going to solve measurement of length in centimeter. Okay, centimeter is called as semi. Okay, and whenever you don't write up, whenever you centimeter words is coming, so no need to write a full name. You have to mention a semi centimeter. Our first topic and first concept. Got my points? And other now last example from this topic. I have a sorry. I have a water bottle and I don't know the length of water bottle. So what to do, my dear students? By the centimeter, I have a big scale. That's why I am checking in the centimeter. Okay. So by the centimeter, I am checking this. I am checking here the length of water. So see, this is the length of 11. See, my dear students, properly is the length of what? 11 centimeter. Got my points, my dear students? See, this is 11 centimeter. Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Okay. So now you note down this all topic, and further we are going to learn. Got my points, my dear students? Okay. So dear, again I repeat for you, measurement of the length. Measurement of the length, centimeter are used to measure shorter length. Your finger width is about 1 centimeter. The ruler gives the exact exact centimeter measurement. The line from 0 to 1 is 1 centimeter. Put my points, my dear students. Now we will move on further. So now I am writing further, my dear students. Then after the new concept is come, my dear students, the matter is the meter. What? A meter. The meter is greater unit. Greater unit of measurement. Okay, measurement and is used to measure longer lengths. Okay, so now for this is a knot. This is a knot. The real size. You have to write with me, my dear students. Size of the meter. Stick. Okay, a cricketer long. Okay, my dear students. So here is next topic is meter, and M for meter we are applying here. What my dear students? 1 meter. 1 meter. I am writing here. 1. Understood, my dear students? We are going to apply this thing. First of all, we mark down this all things, and then we will move on further, my dear students. I hope you all know what is this the bat. Okay, it's a cricket bat. Okay, and it started from 0. 0 to we don't know 0 meter. Okay, it's the not a scale, it's the length of, it's a big scale. Okay, it is the meter scale, not a centimeter scale, my dear students. Okay, it's not a centimeter scale, it's the big length scale. But my point, my dear students, so what to do? What would you use the measurement of this centimeter or meter? Means we have to find here which we are applying, centimeter or meter. We have to choose the correct option. Okay, so now note down this first all, my dear students, and then I will explain you. Put my points, my dear students. Now note down this all things all. And then we will move on further our next topic. So my dear students, note down this one topic, and then we will move on further. Our next topic is a meter. What, my dear students, is meter? So I explain you here. A meter is the greater unit of the measurement, and it's used to measure a longer length. See here, what is the difference between what, my dear, so what is the difference between a centimeter or